Ready to unlock the full potential of backhoe operations? Interstate Heavy Equipment proudly presents our exclusive guide, How to Operate Backhoes Effectively, Tips and Tricks. Your path to backhoe excellence. Number 1, Operational Mastery. Dive into a comprehensive guide, offering step-by-step instructions to master the intricate controls and maneuvers of backhoes. Number 2, Efficient Digging Techniques. Learn insider tips for optimizing your digging and trenching operations, enhancing efficiency on every job site. Number 3, Safety-Centric Approach. Prioritize safety with expert advice on backhoe safety measures, ensuring secure and reliable operations. Number 4, Advanced Strategies. Elevate your skills with advanced techniques for specialized backhoe tasks and projects. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? Crafted by industry professionals with extensive backhoe operation experience, our guide offers insights you can trust. From basic controls to advanced applications, our guide ensures a thorough understanding of backhoe operations. Conveniently access our guide through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Ready to operate backhoes effectively? Contact us. Equip yourself with the skills to operate backhoes effectively and efficiently. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and begin your journey to backhoe mastery. Don't miss out. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.